This between us, the rest of the school can't handle knowing Hope is down too.
What do you think's wrong with her?
The necromancer must use black magic to take her out.
Wait, I thought that the spell that you did to bring all of us back was unbreakable.
Yeah, I don't know how he got around it, but I know how to find out.
Where are you going?
To force some answers out of that pompous ass.
If you're gonna do this, let me come with you.
Absolutely not.
I know we need Hope, but we need you at the school too, or we'll definitely fall apart. Look, maybe you could just slow down and think about it for a second. My room isn't big enough for 3 bodies.
You must deal with this lying, cheating, backstabbing miscreant.
Whoa.
Get in there, you insubordinate little...
Landon.
Hi. Sorry, bro.
Somebody tell me what the hell's going on right now.
You can see him. Curious. Perhaps because you were recently attached to me in death. I'm in possession of the Phoenix's infuriatingly stubborn spirit. But the dark magic I was promised remains out of my grasp until Birdbrain here returns from the dead. Now all I need to do is drop him back into his body, and we can all go about our merry business.
So, what are you waiting for?
The little pillock won't come back!